Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of securely delivering test reports to patients via CloudLIMS's patient portal. This video picks up where we left off in part 1 of the tutorial. We suggest that you watch the first part of the tutorial before watching this one. At the sample collection site, the QR code is scanned and the sample is collected from the patient, either by qualified laboratory personnel or by the patient with instructions from a healthcare professional, and the sample is deposited with the testing facility. Subsequently, you can accession the collected sample in CloudLIMS. To associate the sample with the patient, select the patient record and click Add Samples. Now select a sample type from the drop-down menu, enter the sample details, and press Save and Close. Now switch to the Test Management module. Select a test group and a test code from the drop-down menu. To add a test, click Add Test. In the Add Test window, enter the test details. You can associate one or multiple samples and a technician with the test. Click Save to add the test. The patient can track the testing status by logging into the patient portal. At this time, the patient can see the sample testing status as Under Testing. Once the laboratory staff completes testing the sample, the results are uploaded to CloudLIMS if the analytical instruments are integrated with CloudLIMS. You can send the test results to a laboratory manager for approval before releasing the report. To do so, select the test associated with the sample and click Send for Validation. The laboratory manager instantly receives a notification and can then log in to CloudLIMS, select the test, and click Validate Test Results. The laboratory manager can either approve or reject the test results, enter remarks, and press Validate. Once the test results are approved, the sample testing status automatically changes to Completed, enabling patients to track the testing status in real time. Now you can generate a test report. Click Export as PDF. Enter the necessary information, such as file name. Select the attributes you would like to include in the report, and format the report per your requirements. To include a barcode in the test report, toggle the Include Barcode bar to the right. You can include the barcode either at the beginning or end of the report. Tick Save Report to save and press Generate Report and Stay to generate the report. If there are no further reports to generate, press Generate Report and Close. To release the report, click the link and select one or more contacts to whom you would like to send the report. You can select the patient and client or physician's email addresses. Tick Attach Release Report if you prefer to attach the report to your email. Select a test report, press Release Report, and then close the window. As soon as you release the test report, the patient is notified of the testing status by email. The patient can now securely log into the patient portal, switch to the Reports section, and download and print the test report by clicking the file name. The patient can see the report details, such as release date and time. The test report contains a unique QR code that can be scanned for authentication of test results at airports, workplaces, universities, or anywhere the patient goes. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.